Erin Ijesha Waterfall, the beauty of nature. This amazing site is located at Erin Ijesha in Osun State, Nigeria, one of the most sought-after tourist sites in West Africa. This waterfall has 7 levels. 7 levels. That is, you have 7 waterfalls up the hill. Gradually, as you get to the top, you meet 7 different waterfall levels. That is why they say Erin Ijesha Waterfall is one of the amazing tourist attractions in the entire West Africa. So, I made it to the 7th level, but getting to the last level is one experience that people rarely have. So I'm going to be showing you the different levels, my journey to the different levels. First, getting to Erin Ijesha. My bus experience wasn't cool at all. I took a local bus to the place, and in the bus, we were packed in one row. I was at the back, and we were supposed to be 4 on the seat, but we were 5 because 2 teenagers shared one seat by, one lapping the other. By my right, one young man was carrying a glass in the bus. What an uncomfortable trip. He was carrying a glass in the bus, and any slight thing could have led to injury to anyone close to him. But hey, I was heading to somewhere interesting, so my mind was focused on the waterfall that I was going to see. Look at how packed the bus is. Stuffy, but I had no option but to find my way to Erin Ijesha in Osun State, Nigeria. I stopped at Erin Ijesha Junction. It was from Erin Ijesha Junction that I took a bike to Erin Ijesha. Of course, I could have taken Erin Ijesha Junction, but the bus I took stopped me at Erin Ijesha. And hey, it was also an interesting place to stop. And I took a bike straight to Erin Ijesha.
I've arrived finally. So, welcome to Erin Ijesha. I'm here at Erin Ijesha, and this is Erin Ijesha, and it's the way to Erin Ijesha. So I'm here, and I'm taking off to the waterfall. So I'm now at Erin Ijesha Waterfall. That's it there. That's the gate. So I'm going to be entering the gate now, and there I'll make the payment at the gate and then move with my tour guide. As my tour guide, we'll be moving to the waterfall, and then I'll have fun.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you just 3 stages. How I moved from the first stage to the 3rd stage. That's what I'm going to be showing you here. Very interesting. So let's see what the experience was like.
in Ijesha. It is called Erin Ijesha Waterfall. And this is, this is one of the biggest in the entire country, Nigeria, and in fact, in West Africa. So, I feel so excited going to the Erin Ijesha Waterfall. One of the biggest waterfalls you can find in the entire West Africa. So that's it. Look at the entrance. Wow. So we're going in there. That's the waterfall. We'll start climbing. So the waterfall has 7 stages. It depends on where your strength can carry you. It has stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, up to 7 stages. And when you get to the 7th stage, that's a great height. That's a great height that only the brave can get to. So let's show you. Yes.
So the third one,
Yes.
it's very flat where you can swim.
You can swim in the third one? Okay.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you very much, sir. Have you? Drinking in town? So this water flows right from here to the town in pipe. That's Ijesha town. Wow. So we head up. That's it. Ijesha Waterfall. Ha. Good. The site, even before the waterfall, you will love this environment. There is this fresh breath of nature that I'm enjoying here. So, because they always have contact with water. Wow. So, everywhere it is known as Erin Ijesha Waterfall, but you're saying it is Olumiri Waterfall. But because it is in Erin Ijesha, they now call it Erin Ijesha Waterfall. Olumiri. Okay. Wow. That is the people of Ijesha used to worship it back then. Okay. Is this the first or second stage? First stage. This is the first stage. We have 7 stages, and as you can see, this is the first stage. We have 7 stages. As you can see, we are still moving up the hill. 7 stages. You can see the city down there is beginning to get thinner because we are going up. So, this is the first stage. Remember I said we have 7 stages of the waterfall. So my tour guide just explained that this is the first stage, and We are just here at the first stage now. Beautiful sight. Look at that, flowing down. And you can see the city down there is beginning to get thinner. Look at that city down there. You can see the city. That means we're already up the hill. And this is wonderful. Find your way to Osun State and then head to Ijesha to see the Olumiri waterfall in Ijesha. So, we're heading up the second stage. How can you miss this? How can you miss this? Come to Ijesha land, and you will enjoy this place. Wow. Wow. We have passed the first stage. Remaining 6 more to climb. 6 more stages to climb. Is there any reason for the seven stages? It's just that that's how nature made it. Wow. Look at this, look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Wow. I can literally stay here for hours admiring the beauty of nature. And they will remain evergreen. Wow. So are we approaching the second stage? The second stage. Look there, that's the second stage. Now it's as if it's looking easy. No, it's not like it's easy. We are climbing up the hill, but you won't even notice it. So, the second stage. Remember, we have 7 stages of this wonderful waterfall. 7 stages. Look at that. Look at that. The environment is magical. The peace of nature, you will feel it. Come to Osun State. Come to Osun State. Ijesha land. Wow. Second stage. Wow. This is the second stage. People are having fun. How can you miss this? The fresh air. I feel the breeze. It's not just the water, but the breeze that this natural water is blowing is something else. Wow. And this is just the second stage. Remember, it is just the second stage. Yeah, wow, wow, wow. This is the second stage. We have 7 stages. We have passed the first, the second, this is the second stage. And we're still going up the hill. I'm still going up the hill. And you will find so many more. Now climbing to the third stage. We are getting to the third stage. And you can see the stage climbing up. A number of persons cannot go beyond the second stage. They can't go beyond the second stage because not every person has the strength to keep climbing. But hey, I have the strength, I have the fun, and I have the spirit to get to the 7th. Look at those we left down there. You've seen they've just turned small. Small. Whoa! I'm going up. Wow. Look at that. Let me not lie to you. I'm really getting tired.
Where is the place?
Yeah.
Where is the tour guide?
I'm getting tired. Where? Like this? This is third stage. The third stage of the 4. We have to go down. What makes this the third stage now? This is second stage you saw. Okay, third because of the height. Oh, it's different from that one we saw down there now.
This is where you can swim.
Not down there.
You can also swim down in that one, but there is drop. But here it looks like swimming pool where you can just swim.
I'm going down. I'm going down. But I must confess, I'm tired. But I'm moving on. This is the third stage. I go down further. Wow, I thought it was even the same place. Now, but I can see the difference now because there we saw people playing music, but this third stage you can see it's free. They said this is where you swim, and I need to explore all the 7 stages before I talk about swimming. So wow. So this is the third stage. That's it. The third stage. Now this is the third stage. It flows like this, and then that's the second stage that is going down. Have you seen it? That's the second stage. So that place you see now throws it down. When it goes down, you see the same kind of thing, but that's the second stage. So we have come higher up the hill. We have come higher up the hill, and this is it. Wow! I told you, it's among the biggest in the entire West Africa. 7 stages of waterfalls. 7 stages. 1 waterfall, the second waterfall, the third waterfall, the fourth waterfall, the fifth, the sixth, the 7th, until we see 7 of this. We're going up. I could climb like this, it means I could contest in Olympics as one of the climbers representing Nigeria. Wow. Tourists are moving up and down, deciding on which level they want to play on, they want to swim in. But me, I'm interested in going to see the 7th stage. Wow. Thank you. Ow, oh. Thank you very much. Woo. I almost fell, and a friend dragged me up. So that's the 3rd stage. I'm going to see the 4th stage. Sorry. The 4th stage